So Orion, you've talked about the possibility of a Tanium IPO in 2017. Of course, Snapchat today, Bloomberg reported, filed privately for an initial public offering. Are we going to see a Tanium IPO, and do you think the climate will be amenable to the big tech companies, the unicorns, finally going public in 2017?
Yeah, it's a great question. So to answer it really simply, I've been on record for a long time saying that I think an IPO is the right way for companies like ours to proceed. I think it's fair to my employees, my investors, my customers. We think that the time horizon is reasonable. We haven't started the formal process, but when I look at these big companies who kind of want to stay perma-private, they don't want to deal with investors, they don't want to deal with the SEC. I mean, I understand the appeal of that, but the reality is it's not fair to any of the constituencies that we run this company for. So we think that we're going to be ready in the foreseeable future, and I have been really, really clear with every constituency. That's our plan for this company.
I would imagine, Ryan, it also might help you in enterprise sales. I mean, it's one thing to have a great solution and have good relationships with your existing customers, but sometimes new customers like to hear that you're trading on a stock exchange and it's a publicly traded company that gives them some new level of trust in your product.
Yeah, I mean, the mission that we're on here, we do one of the most important things that our customers will ever buy. We secure their entire core network, their most important information. I think they want to see that we run a reasonable, responsible company, that we're not bleeding money, that we're able to really grow in a sustainable way. And I think that the disclosure rules that public companies have to go through force good discipline in management. And I think that's why a lot of our peers aren't super excited about it. Not because they don't run clean companies, but people don't like it when people are looking at them when they're not doing the right thing. And I think it's actually really healthy for a company like ours to know people are scrutinizing us, that our numbers are being checked, and that our customers know that we're sustainable and that we're going to be here 10 years from now. I mean, I'm hoping that we're all going to be here 10 years from now doing this interview 10 years later, and I get to be in this seat. I have no other dreams other than running this mission through.